Well, hello there, and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you on how to set up e-commerce in WordPress. There's a number of ways that you can set e-commerce into your website. You can use a plugin or you can use an existing theme. You can use free themes or free plugins. At the very same time, you can navigate to eventual market and buy a theme that you may want to use in your e-market. So for this nugget, I'll show you how to install a theme directly that is free inside WordPress. You'll navigate to theme, select themes, add new from the search area, find e-commerce. From the hundreds of templates that will show up from the e-commerce section, you'll choose one that you feel is in line with your business. You can also decide to navigate to eventual market and buy a theme from the many themes that are available for use. So in this demo, let's just pick a very simple theme, the front store theme. Click install, then activate. When I activate for this specific theme, it asks me to upload a logo, add some contact form, add some menus, the normal way you can do a WordPress menu, add some widgets from the footer and the header section, slider, among many other elements, and then finally you need to add your products page. If I refresh this on my site's front end, voila, I have already installed my e-commerce, and you can tell I can buy elements from the demo products that are here. If you need to customize this more, you go back to the back end and enter your details, the products that you're selling, do the customizations of the slider and the images that are available in here. You can also choose to pick one of the premium themes from the Eventual Market, which is customized to come with different plugins and scripts that will make your WordPress start selling. Well, that is how you set up e-commerce in your WordPress. Well, don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for Businesses. The link is in the description below. And if you like this video, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next nugget.